good morning, if it's morning for you or not. But if you're new, my name's Kaylee. If you're not, welcome back. This lighting's making me look super like washed out. But I'm on my way to the store right now. I was waiting for my roommates, or my boyfriend's roommate, to leave with his little girlfriend because I don't trust them around Penelope, so I have to like wait for them to leave so I can leave. It's super fucking annoying. But I'm wearing my Britney shirt, it's super cute. I'm wearing my hair down for like the first time. I never wear my hair down because I literally hate my hair because it just looks like really stupid. I look like the guy from Shrek, so. But I'm gonna make these cookies that I've been eating for the longest time, but I have dairy issues. So I'm gonna go try to find some like dairy pills that'll like help me when I eat it, because I like die when I eat, like specifically cream cheese and milk is like what really fucks me up. So I have to find something that'll like make me feel okay, because I like really want these cookies. So
a few moments later.
Hey guys, so it's been a while later. I look crazy, like my makeup wiped off my forehead. So I'm having car problems. I took the Sentra today to Fry's at like 11:30, and it was working perfectly fine. And then when I went back to the car to leave, it just like everything turned on, everything was like sounded fine, everything was good. And then when I went to pull away and stuff, the car won't accelerate. So I think it's like the transmission or something. My makeup is melted off. I've been sitting in a 100+ degree car with the door open trying to, because I have like the tester thing for the car, the what's it called, the like this thing or whatever. So I went and bought that because my dad has one, and my dad lives like 40 minutes away, and I'm just gonna go do it myself. So I ran to Walmart, went and got that, and I tested it, and it said everything was fine, everything was good. On the tester, it was like there was like nothing wrong, no codes came up or anything. So I'm like, bro, like what is going on? We were literally just about to sell this car too. Like our luck is so terrible sometimes. Like we have like really good luck and like really bad luck. So I'm hella stressed out right now. But I bought some gluten-free oats just to try those out because I need to start eating oatmeal again. That also, I filled those up. That's sugar and that's flour. It probably looks weird in clear containers. It probably looks like Coke or something, but. And then I also bought these cute bottles at Ross. I really like these. It's super cute. This is just olive oil, and I don't know what to put in there, so I'm not sure. Okay guys, so I made a huge mess, but I honestly didn't show it. I'm making the burrito tacos. I'm white, I know. But I was trying to speed it up because it's already 7:20, and I started making this at like, I don't know, like 5 or 6 or something like that. Or the Oreo one. So I put 1.5 cups of sugar, 1 stick of the cream cheese, and 2 sticks of unsalted soft butter. And what else am I missing? I think that's it. And then I'm gonna put some flour in now. I don't have a hand mixer, the electric one, so I'm using my freaking hand, and it's so damn hard. So, but I was like persistent on making these, so I'm making these, and I'll show you guys what they look like. They're honestly my favorite cookie ever, but they hurt my stomach so bad because of the cream cheese, so that's what sucks. I also used 1/3 of the fat of the cream cheese. I bought like the less fat one because I just wanted to see if it was better and if it would not hurt my stomach as much, but I'm not really sure. So okay, so these are what they look like. They're kind of burnt right there. Since I used half the fat, it didn't turn out exactly how they normally do. But this one's like really weird. It like won't cook for some reason. You can't make them too thick or else it's gonna turn out like that. So you don't have to make them thin either. Just make them like medium. Not too thick like this, but not like too thin, because then it's gonna start to like burn around the corners. But they look super good, and they taste so good too, so.
Hey, what it do, pimps and players, players and pimps, however you moving, I respect it. We are live and direct. Nice. We got baby P in the cut. Got more head than she got body. KP was supposed to get on the closet and shit, but you know your boy Blase got that shit together for her. You know, cause she a little late to the party. She a little special. It hella gloomy out. It's been raining for like the last 3 days in AZ. We been getting flash floods type shit. We finna put this bitch together. We finna rearrange this up in here. We already did this joint. My desk and shit, y'all probably know it used to be over there. Yeah, it used to be a little bit more over there. Bed used to be crooked a little bit more. Yeah, we needed a little bit more space and shit, so.
So we're on our way to, we're gonna go to Ikea, and then we're gonna go to probably like Ross, because we want to get like a rug for out here.
Lo and behold, Ikea. It looks fire. I like these little tiles. I like these little tile things. They look cool.
Yeah, that looks cool.
Yeah. Ooh, like that shit over there is fire too.
Yeah, oh, that looks cool.
Yeah. Still raining. I like those plants. Oh, we wanted a plant.
Oh yeah, we did. It's only, it says it's 10, or wait. It can't be 10.
No?
Because these are, here, let's take a picture. I don't think this is it.
It has to be. They have the tag on it. What do you mean?
No, it says a pot though. 'Cause the plant's in
Oh,
pots.
it doesn't have a plant. What about those ones over there?
Why is there no price tag? I don't know. I think we'd probably have to find, or we take them ourselves.
If I like that wall.
I know.
Keep the drip. Keep the drip. You feel me? Alright, and we're out.
Let's go to 48.
I knew it. This girl told her ass, we need to find another car because this shit is hella long, bruh. Like, we is not moving that, bruh, in this little ass car.
I don't know where they are. Maybe not.
No, you can't go down there. Oh, you're seeing if that's a push one?
Yeah.
Oh, it is, bro. Look. She on point, bruh. Go, go, go. You could put the rug in there at least. Fuck.
Wait, I see one on the other side.
Go grab that
Oh
joint.
no, there's stuff in it.
Fuck that. We don't put that shit down. Fuck it. I don't know. Find out. Bruh, they need like big ass totes in this motherfucker and some shit, bruh. Shit ain't gonna work.
The rug's not gonna fit in there. It's definitely, yeah. Yeah. This does look crazy.
You want me to just go get the car?
Um,
Just stand right here. I'll be there.
yeah, that's fine. Come park up here if you want. God damn, what the fuck?
Where's your seat, baby? Keep it.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna wait right here.
I can't give it to him, bro. It's gonna be too dangerous.
Yeah. No, it's too late.
I got money for you.
He'll run to you if you just gotta go. This man has a little puppy.
I got you, boss.
Appreciate it.
Have a good day.
Aw, he has a little puppy.
Look at little dog. Tell him.
Is it on?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna be moving the apartment around. I already said it in the beginning of the vlog. But what we're thinking is we're gonna put this part like right there, and then probably this one in the corner. And then we might put the TV over there.
Look at her.
I know.
Push the rug.
Here, show them what we got.
Push the rug. Oh,
There's still stuff inside the
car too.
But we bought this fluffy rug, and then we bought, what is this? Oh, we bought like a little table. Then we got more stuff in the car, but yeah.
All right, now
So.
let's do the damn thing. This is what it looks like, guys. It's like a nice little like baby blue, white, gray, black. It's a nice little
Fluffy.
light colors, fluffy. Yeah.
Yeah, that's better. And then just lift it up.
Lift up the couches here.
My ass is sweating. Here, we're gonna have to pull it more because that's like.
Alright. Lift up your couch.
Yeah, that's cute. I like this. We're fucking interior design.
We should get like a little desk like over here. Put a little plant and a little incense smoke.
Oh, like a side table? Or I mean, not a side, like a. Oh, I like this. Should we get some out?
Right there.
Should we let her out? See? Banana, come here, look. Baby. Oh. Mama, what is it, Dad?
She's so cute.
Put her on the right station.
Alright, come here. Come here.
She said, Dad, I don't want to.
It's lava.
Oh my God.
Welcome to my bag.
So he's making food right now, but so I made that desk over there and he made the two chairs.
I made the desk and the chair.
No, you didn't. I made the desk.
I put the couch together, you know.
The couch was already together. So this is gonna be okay. Jay. So here's her little bathroom area still, and then we have here's her water stuff. We have the little water dispenser, and then the desk. I want to paint it because I don't like that it's like white, but it's okay. And then we moved, and we got this rug like we showed you. It looks so nice.
This division, it needs another star. It needs someone to come up and
We're probably gonna paint that or get rid of it.
Ian Heinisch is absolutely. He has the
So, and then we changed the room around. It's not clean, but he moved his desk over there. The bed's right here. And then her bed, and then the little TV stand. She went pee right there. I don't know why it's like so yellow, but I'm hot. Right now it's literally, it's so freaking hot. Why are my eyelashes?
That's something that Ian Heinisch does very well, right? He's an imposing wrestler. He'll come at you with everything all over the place. So I'm looking to see how he plays his cards.
It's not even one. It's some strawberry sun.